You want to open your boom box? Look. Look it. Let's see what's in your box. Whoa. What's in there? Is it a letter? Says, I love you, Lachlan. Love, Great Grandma Shirley. Lots of hugs and lots of kisses. Whoa, goodies. What'd you find? First shapes puzzle. Look at that. Puzzle. Woo. Okay. What else is in there? Ooh, this is open. Goddess Garden Organics. Kids Sport Natural Sunscreen. Yep. Goodie. Need sunscreen. Oh, wait. What is this that you threw out? Twist shake with passion for babies. Plate and cupboard. Stackable. Ooh. Yeah, your sunscreen. That's yours. What's the last thing in the box? What is this? What, you don't want to look at the book? The book. Look, baby, sunny day. Whoa! There's your book. Let me open that while you open it. Yeah, I'm gonna open this while you open your book and read it. There you go. Whoa, cool. Whoa, good job. Yay! How do you know that went there? Is that a red circle? And that's a green square? Yeah? Yeah. You put that right there. That. You put that right there. What about this one? What happens if I go like this? Whoa! Now where do they all go? You did that one. The red circle. Thank you. There's a fly in here.